Okay, Jakey.
Try a different path next time, I dare you.
He got his like crunch lab, right?
Yeah. Oh, good one.
He built that himself. Isn't that
Go that way.
amazing? I like crunch lab.
Go that way.
No, I'm cooking.
I'm cooking.
He's good. He said he's cooking.
This is cool. This one teaches you about transmission. And so he built this little thing, and then it's like a Mars rover. You're trying to avoid the craters and losing cargo.
Let's
Got it. I'm cooking.
Good morning, friends. I've got some donuts for my baby because he's homesick still. Which one do you want? Meanwhile.
That one.
Okay. You want me to get it for you so that you don't. Here you go, Bubba.
Thank
You want to heat it up because I know you like it heated. You want me to put it in the microwave for you?
What should I heat it up?
On a plate, and I'll do it for you if you'd like. Like on a little plate. Or a napkin. Yeah, a napkin's fine. Meanwhile, I just want my tupig for now. I love my tupig. I got to work out with one of my workout buddies. Her name is Maddie. She helped me decorate our house a little bit. She's so sweet. She helped me, well, with a blankie, and she was telling me color and stuff like that. We went to Home Goods back in the day. I haven't seen her because she has been taking later classes, but I took a later class today because I didn't make it to my Pilates wait list. And I was so excited to see her. It was all meant to be because she's a snowbird. She's going to Arizona for a minute, like for weeks. And so I think we were just meant to see each other. I love it when things like that work out. Like I'd be like jumping like for joy like this. I am ready for the day. I'm gonna go hang out with Jakey. I love this setting spray. I have like 3 setting sprays. I'm running low on this one, but if you want something to stay on your face, like for real, this one. Ooh, are you guys fighting over food? You do know that there's 2 plates. Like we don't need to be growling and all that. You find the other plate, Bubba? Oh, there you go, smarty pants. There you go. So here they are on. Even my Oliver likes it. I just had to see if I liked it or not. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I think they're comfortable. Oh my gosh. I like it. My favorite part is this right here. Hello friends. I'm just working on dinner. I'm making just the gyozas from Trader Joe's, some chicken and some rice. And then I made a dipping sauce for the gyoza. It is soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame seeds, sesame oil, green onions. I need to add garlic because I didn't do that yet. Well, girl, when I add the chili flakes, I didn't know that my chili flakes container didn't have like the cover for it. A whole bunch. Look. But I scooped some out because like that's just a little too spicy. Shout out to Susan. I'm wearing the sweater you gave me. I really like it. I like anything that covers my neck because you know it's cold here. It was like -7 or -7 or below 7, whatever you guys want to say, this morning. But after I worked out and stuff, it was still, what is it right now? Let me tell you. But all I know is that it's cold. Anyways, it's 9 degrees right now. And, oh! So you know how Jacob was homesick? We told the piano instructor that the boys couldn't make it for piano lessons today. And they said that the boys could just do an online one today to like, you know, avoid contact with their piano instructor. So awesome! They don't have to miss it. Because as you can hear, my boys love to play their piano. They're always like playing it, especially Liam. Like Liam's playing right now. Let's ask Liam to play a song for us. My sweet boy. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. You figure out what you want to play, but I want to show them the little rug I got for the for the litter box. The little robot was inside that room.
I'll play a short song first.
Okay.
I don't really know the entire thing, but I'm still learning. I'm still learning it.
loves Liam.
I was looking for YouTube shorts to see if I could test any of those like easy piano things. So this is one that I found.
Yeah, show us, baby. Dang, that's amazing.
It's very easy.
Wow, you're amazing. Isn't he so good? I'm shooketh that I gave birth to someone that talented. I'm shook. Anyways, let me go check on dinner because I left to listen to it. Hello friends, good morning. I worked out. It was a wonderful workout. I love my trainer. She is awesome. And I love that she's full-time now. So she's consistently my trainer every single time. And I like the guy trainer too. He's lovely. He's nice. He's always so kind. But something about my girl trainer, she's awesome. Anyways, I wanted to share a TJ Maxx haul because I just got back. And let me tell you something. I returned the cart. And I was freezing my butt off. Like my nose hairs were freezing, but I still ran and returned the cart. Mind you, I parked pretty far, but I still returned the cart. Long story short, I'm living in -4-degree weather, but I still returned the cart. Anyways, the first thing I wanted to show you tonight is Pinewood Derby. Jacob built that car and Justin is like, you know, the assistant den leader. And so I ironed on all their patches the other night. And so we're good to go. Darn it. You know what? When I wash this and then I scrub it with Scrub Mommy, this will come off. Anyways, just wanted to update you. I was supposed to have a little date with my girl Amy, but she wasn't feeling well. So I was like, girl, don't worry. It's gonna feel like we're on a date because I'm gonna send you videos of my little haul. So yeah, just wanted to share. I'm in the middle of cleaning. I use Dawn dish soap, water, and steel wool. And I scrub the heck out of it, cause look. And then if I can't scrub the heck out of it, I use a steamer to soften it. Actually, let me go ahead and grab that because I could already tell this one's gonna fight with me today. You know what? I'm done scrubbing. Let me go get my steamer because it softens it. So this is my steamer. I got it on Amazon. You put water in it and then all you gotta do is put the steam directly on it and it does such a good job. Like let me show you a little bit before action. And then I'll show you after when I'm all done with this. Okay, my friends, do you see that? It looks so good. Thanks to the steamer, the steel wool thingy or whatever it's called. And then I put a little orange glow to make it shiny. I learned that from house cleaners because when I was pregnant in the Redondo Beach house, we would hire house cleaners like when I was hecka pregnant and couldn't clean those floors. And I noticed that they were using this for furniture and also on stainless steel. And I said, what? And she said, yeah. Her name was Anna. So nice. Anna and her team. Nelu was the owner of the house. We rented that house. Anna was Nelu's sister who owned a cleaning business. I love them. I think they were Romanian. Really nice. Anyways, look at that. Look at it. It's shining. It's gorgeous. I love it. Justin got us some yummy Mexican food.
Super good. I found this place called Cocina de Ana. And it's like you bake at home or you heat it up at home basically. Mm-hmm. Man, it's fire. It's super good. I had like the most wonderful interaction with the owner. Yeah. Her name was Anna. And I feel like I got her whole life story in just the span of a little bit. So it was just one of those interactions. It's just like makes your day better. It was great.
How was giving blood? Was it platelets or blood?
I gave whole blood today. There's like a blood emergency in Minnesota, and I have O negative. So they called me because they need I had gotten a few emails or texts, but like when they call you, they know it's like they really need it. And so yeah, so it was whole blood today. I was happy to see it was like pretty full there. So
good, good. So what's that?
This is carnitas. With verde, like a verde sauce, and then rice and like Mexican rice and corn.
Yummy. And then I got chile relleno and the rice corn. Hello, Squirrely. Y'all is just stressing out my cats. No, they love it. But look at how he sits. Look at this. What he's trying to tell me is Run me my food real quick. Ew, what is that on the window? It's on the outside though, because you know I wouldn't deal with that. Is it in the inside though? I don't know. Hi, Squirrely Whirlies. Hi, kitty cats. Oh, there he goes. Another one. Whenever I eat lunch, for some reason they want to come up here and get fed lunch too. My last thing I'm gonna have is my tupig. This thing is so freaking good. I love tupig. Hello, friends. The Pinewood Derby just ended, and one of Jakey's friends joined the Scouts, so it's really nice. Like, we had a play date with them, and it was New Year's Eve, I think. And we were telling them about Scouts, and they were in a different troop, I guess. And then they joined the one with Jacob, because I was like telling them, I was like, oh, my husband's the assistant Cub Scout leader. And, you know, Jakey's friend is like one of his besties. They like chess together. We're at Culver's instead, got ice cream cones, and I'm waiting for my onion rings. It's really interesting. They like have you park, and then with a number, and then they deliver your food. And they don't get cold. They wear t-shirts and like 5-degree weather. We're back home. Boys are eating their Culver's ice cream. Justin out here eating his tupig.
I prefer this.
Mm-hmm.
It's so yummy.
And the flan. Where'd you get this again?
Cocina de Ana.
Dude, this is the best flan I have ever had. Like, it is...
Ever?
Ever, honey, ever.
Wow.
It's so good. Like, look, girl, I ain't shared it with nobody. Nobody wanted it. I love flan. The best. Best. Like, nowhere have I had it this good. And in Minnesota, y'all. So, go see her.
Yeah.
It's delightful.
Mm-hmm.
You did good, honey.
Mm.
Like,
no?
emceeing it.
No. You can't.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Because he's an assistant Cub Scout leader. You did good.
It was fun. Did you like my energy?
I did.
I have I try to like keep.
No, you had good
rile
energy.
the crowd up and everything. Yeah.
He has good energy. It's just that I wanted to check some of these kids. Some of these kids, man, they were just standing a little too close to where the kids were competing, and like they were like touching, and I was like, but I can't say nothing because I'm not in the Scouts. Guess what's outside? A bunny. Hi, Bob. And yeah, kids, go shower. Look at my Gilroy Theodore the Third. It's so cute how he will literally sit on a chair just to show me, because I'm here out in the, like, on the other side of the window. He'll show me what he's eating. Is that yummy? Today, they're having walnuts and almonds. Go get some more, buddy. Poopy loves it so much. He watches all the little squirrely whirlies eat their yummy walnuts. I unloaded the groceries, and I'm just waiting for this to dry before I put it in the fridge. And then I'm gonna make some egg bites as meal prep. Oh my gosh, I got my salt and pepper grinder. Look, I'm obsessed. It's giving Nabella. I love Nabella, but the thing is, my house isn't like gold or anything, so I got a silver version. Too cute. Oliver likes the blankie. Look at his little paw. Oh, little papas, do you love your brother?
He likes the ring.
Yeah. And then we have Cooper. The faces in his body is so, like the way he be sleeping. Hi! Hi, little bubba. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's really purring. Hi, little papas. You enjoy yourself, buddy. Hi, friends. How are you? It's the next day. So this time around, Jacob's Pinewood Derby didn't make it to any type of like runner-up, first place, or anything like that. But I'm really proud of him because he helped Justin build it, and so that was great. And then we did our traditional ice cream after. I got groceries today, did all of that, and I've just been filming. So yeah, just want to say thanks for watching the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.